Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY, I still don't know for sure whether this really is a wave C. It definitely looks like it is, but this move down still could end up being a crutch into the move up. It definitely could still end up going back up, whether it's an ABC like this, or whether it's a 1, 2, 3 as of now definitely doesn't matter to us because the trading strategy for an A and a B is exactly the same as a 1 and a 2. So if this really is the end of a wave C, it will end up going down and making a wave 3. If it's not the end of a wave C, it's still probably going to make 3 waves down before it actually ends up continuing back up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely see the series of lower lows, lower highs this whole way down. This move up is pretty impulsive. It still could end up being a wave A, and this still could be a B, and it still could go up again for a wave C, and that would definitely be completely normal if that is what happens. But it does look like it may have already ended a correction because this move down is looking pretty impulsive. If that is the end of a correction, then this probably is going to actually end up going down, and it might even end up being a 1, 2, and a wave 3. So let's head down to the daily time frame, and this is where I switch back to the US dollar index. On the daily, you can see this move up right here, which definitely could end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but to me it looks more like a motive wave or possibly an A, B, C, D, E. This move down to me looks like a trend. It doesn't really look like a correction, telling me that even if it does go up, it's probably just going to be a correction to this last move down, and I think that it's more likely to just keep on going down, making those lower lows and lower highs on the daily time frame. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, originally I had this marked as an ABC, but after seeing that impulsive move up that we're getting today, I am thinking that this probably is a wave B going down. This probably is a trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, and we probably are going up to make a wave C. Now, the trend is definitely still 100% down, so even though it kind of looks like it should make an ABC correction, it still could turn at one of these Fibonacci levels and actually end up going down like that. That's why I have my Fibonacci measure in this last move down, because if it does turn at one of these fib levels, I want to be able to recognize that for a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I still have my ABC marked right here, but it is starting to get very strong, almost like it's a trend, not a correction. If it does pull back or start bouncing off one of these fib levels with a nice big impulsive move down, that will show me that it is a correction to this last move down, and that it most likely is just going to keep on going down. Now, looking at the longer time frames, it does look very feasible that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, that this move down may actually be a correction like a wave B, and that we may actually just keep on going up to make a wave C. Even if we do go up to make that bigger wave C, I still think it's going to make an impulsive move down. I still think it's going to end a correction and eventually end up continuing the downtrend. So it's whether or not this move up is a correction to this move down, or whether this move up is a wave C, and once it finishes the wave C, it continues the downtrend. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.